Hello guys, welcome back. I'm quickly going to show you today how to dictate what you want to be written. So what you need to do is go to your ribbon at the top, you go over to Home, go right over to Dictate and click downward arrow. Now you need to click on Dictate. This will take what you're saying and type it into the document. Don't click Transcribe, that will require you to upload an audio file which is then converted to a text, which is very useful. We're going to click on Dictate. You make sure you configure your dictation settings, your spoken language, your microphone. I would encourage you to put auto punctuation and filter sensitive phrases, especially if you're working in a professional setting. Click Save, and then you're going to click on the microphone and it will go blue. So, hello, I'm dictating what I'm saying to you now. As you can tell, it isn't perfect, but it is moving in a really positive direction. So, it's pretty good. It captured most of what I said, and it tried to implement fairly reasonable punctuation. So have a go. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.